The iPhone 17 Pro is already one of the most talked about upcoming phones, and a new leak has just added more mystery to the story. It all started with an image showing a slim battery, which many believed was for the rumored iPhone 17 era. New ultra-thin model expected from Apple, but now, according to popular leaker Majin Bu, things might not be so simple. At first, Majin Bu claimed that the battery shown in the leak was meant for the iPhone 17 Air and even mentioned a capacity of 2,900 mAh. But now he says there was a misunderstanding. The battery shown in the leaked photo may not belong to the Air model at all. Instead, it might actually be one of two battery types being prepared for the iPhone 17 Pro. This brings up the question, why would Apple have two battery types for the same iPhone? Majin Bu explains that it's because of regional differences. For example, in the US, iPhones come with eSIM support, while in China, physical SIM cards are still required. That small difference can change the internal layout of the phone, leading to slightly different battery designs. But here's the problem. If the leaked battery really is for the iPhone 17 Pro, a 2,900 mAh battery doesn't make much sense. The current iPhone 16 Pro already uses a 3,580 mAh battery, so dropping to 2,900 mAh would be a major downgrade. And for a premium model like the Pro, that would be unexpected. This makes the situation even more confusing. Maybe the battery is actually for the iPhone 17 Air after all, which is rumored to be thinner and lighter. A smaller battery would help Apple achieve a slimmer design, even if it means shorter battery life. Visually, the leaked battery matches what we've seen in recent Pro models. It has a steel casing, which Apple introduced in the iPhone 16 Pro, to help with cooling and improve battery durability. It also has the familiar L-shaped design seen in recent iPhones. This shape helps maximize space inside the phone, while other phone makers also use L-shaped batteries. This detail adds more weight to the idea that the battery is meant for a high-end phone like the iPhone 17 Pro. But even with these clues, there's no way to confirm the image's authenticity. A reverse image search didn't reveal any matches, which means the photo hasn't been shared widely. However, it's still possible that the image was staged or the battery was modified to look like a real Apple component. Then there's Majin Bu's track record to consider. While he's been responsible for some accurate leaks in the past, he's also made mistakes. For instance, he once claimed the iPhone 15 would have two front cameras. It didn't. He also said the iPhone 16 Plus would come with a smaller battery, but that hasn't been confirmed. So while his information is worth paying attention to, it's not always spot on. Still, this leak opens up some interesting possibilities. If Apple really is working on a super thin iPhone 17 Air, a 2,900 mAh battery could make perfect sense. In that case, Apple would be choosing a sleek design over long battery life. Some users might be okay with that trade-off, but if the battery is meant for the iPhone 17 Pro, it could raise concerns. Apple users expect the Pro models to offer top-tier performance, including strong battery life. A smaller battery could be seen as a step back unless Apple makes major improvements in software optimization or uses a much more power-efficient chip. For now, the only thing we know for sure is that the leaked battery image shows a steel casing and an L shape just like previous Pro models. Whether it belongs to the Air or the Pro is still uncertain. What's clear, though, is that Apple seems to be working on more than one version of the iPhone 17, and the battery will play a big role in shaping both the design and performance of these devices. As always, it's smart to treat leaks like this with some caution. The tech world is full of fake images and misunderstood details. But even so, every new piece of information helps build a clearer picture of what Apple might be planning. Whether it's a thinner iPhone 17 Air or a more powerful iPhone 17 Pro, one thing's certain: something interesting is on the way. Stay tuned for more updates as the iPhone 17 rumors continue to unfold.